Hey guys, Sonduren from Canadian Rider. I just want to share something with you guys. A lot of my friends talk about it all the time, and when you're used car shopping, it comes up every single conversation I have. So my girlfriend, she was looking for a used car. Conversation comes up when you look at high kilometer used cars. Is a lot of people tend to right away dismiss high kilometer used cars. They're like, no, it's got way too many kilometers, it's going to break down, all this stuff. But you know what? The mileage on your car isn't the only determining factor on if you're going to buy a used car or not, or that car. So for example, we're looking at a Lexus, because I have a 2006 Lexus IS250, so I'm looking, and I've had no problems with it. I have 250,000 kilometers on my Lexus. Had it for 2 years. I put it roughly 70,000 kilometers since I got it. Not a single problem. On these Lexus is Toyota. On these cars, all you need to do is oil changes, spark plugs every once in a while, and just your consumables like brakes and rotors. So immediately I started looking for a Lexus, and we found one, an IS250, a little bit better fuel economy, mint condition body. So when I went to go see it, I was stunned. Body has no dents, there's no rust on the car, it's in mint condition, it's a 2008. Had one owner with all the maintenance records done at the dealership every 10,000 kilometers. They had the maintenance down. So you look at this car, you're like, okay, it's got 250,000 kilometers, but it's had one owner, it's in course of 10 years. It has every single maintenance record, every 10,000 kilometers on all the maintenance. Never had a serious maintenance mishap done to it, and it's in clean condition. Inside's in phenomenal condition. It's almost fully loaded besides the nav, which most people on a used car don't even want the nav anyway. Everything's done to it. It's got new brakes, new rotors. There's no damage, clean Carfax, no accidents. Like, this is a gem. So when you go and you look at and you think about these 250,000 kilometer cars, and you're like, it must look like a piece of shit, and that's what a lot of people would assume. But you can find these gems in this dirt, just like this gem here that we found. And I told my girlfriend at the time, I'm like, you have to get this car. As soon as I looked at it, I saw how in amazing shape it is. I seen the clean Carfax. I seen all the maintenance done with one owner. I'm like, this is the gem. And these Lexuses, guys, I'm telling you, like the Toyota engines, they last forever. So they'll last like 250,000 kilometers, no problem. My buddy's Lexus, I think it was a 1997 LS something. It lasts like 400,000 kilometers. So these things are bulletproof. Anything from Toyota is bulletproof. And if something does go wrong, the parts are cheap, and you can honestly DIY it yourself. And that's what I'm gonna do for her, and that's what I do for my Lexus IS350. So the key is, guys, like, in this example here, if we got a Lexus, a 2008 IS250 in Canada, the market with 150,000 kilometers, it was ranging from $11,000 to $12,000. We got this mint condition, arguably in much better condition Lexus, with one owner, with no accidents, with a full set of brand new winter tires and rims, with another full set of summer tires and rims, the Lexus nice alloy ones. Those on itself is $2,000 trying to find on Kijiji, like takeoffs. We got all that for less than half the price of the comparable 150,000 kilometer Lexus out in the market. Incredible value that you're getting by picking up a higher kilometer car, because you know, as long as it had good maintenance and was taken care of during its lifetime, and that you're gonna take care of it just as well, you're gonna be perfectly fine, because the parts are cheap if something does come up, and honestly, there's no big major maintenance items for these Lexuses. So when people you're buying a used car, you need to think of all the different factors when you're buying a car. Yes, if you're buying a BMW or a high-sprung engine like a Honda S2000, and they have like 300,000 kilometers, okay, that's a different story, right? These cars, depending on like the commuter car that you're looking for, if they got higher mileage, if you're getting a Lexus or Toyota or a Honda and a reliable brand with a reliable engine, the history of the engine's reliable, you should not be scared of kilometers or mileage. So that's one thing, and I was telling her and I was educating her about this. I'm like, listen, mileage is definitely a consideration, but you gotta look at the full picture. And the deal, when you're getting a car for half price that's going on the market for an extra 80,000 kilometers, get the car that's half price, because arguably, and it is, in better condition than most of the cars in the market that are paying twice above its value. So I just wanted to do a little video on that, guys. She's super happy with her Lexus, thanks to me. And she's right there right now. So she's super happy with the Lexus, and I'll show you guys some of the video of the car. It's in mint condition, had some scratches, we buffed out some of those scratches. It's gonna be in great shape. It's gonna be a great commuter car for her. So if you guys have any questions about that, if you're looking for a used car and the car's got way more mileage or a little bit more mileage than the average, it's a lot cheaper, should you consider it? Look at all the other factors, guys. The make and brand of the car, its history and performance and reliability. These IS250s and 350s are very reliable, besides a few things that you keep an eye on, and that's it. Look at the accident history, look at the maintenance, look at the condition of the car. Go ahead and go look at it, inspect it in real life. I looked at the pictures on Kijiji. The pictures don't do any car justice. You need to see it with your eyes. Go there and check it out. Make sure everything works. And that's it, guys. So I really want to squash this. If you're looking for a used car, don't let high kilometers necessarily deter you away from an amazing deal, depending on what you're looking to use the car for. So yeah, I have some amazing news as well coming up. So my Ducati's right here, but that may change for something else. I don't want to spoil that. It'll be in another video, but hopefully anyone that's looking for a used car, this helps you out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.